We toured the most futuristic motorhome in the world. The Demble Motorhome M, which was introduced earlier this year and will be shown to the public for the first time at the 2021 edition of the Dusseldorf Caravan Salon, is best described as a discriminating gentleman's and his gentle lady and gentle family ideal motorhome. And that's it for today's video. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you get updated whenever we post new videos. Luxury Life is on Facebook too. Don't forget to follow and like our official Facebook page. See you in our next video.